Master the politeness with would in English. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we are going to demystify a very important word in English. Would. You've probably heard it many times in everyday conversation and wondered how exactly it's used. It's often used to make requests more polite, but its usage doesn't end there. Are you ready? Let's get started. Would is a modal verb in English, and it's used in several different ways. It's often used in hypothetical situations, politeness, past habits, and so much more. A common usage of would is to make polite requests. For example, would you pass me the salt, please? It's softer and more polite than using can or will. Remember, would is used when we want to do something with respect and politeness. Let's delve a bit deeper into how would is used in polite requests. Imagine you're at a friend's house and you need to use the bathroom. Instead of bluntly saying, "Where is your bathroom?" you could say, "Would you mind telling me where your bathroom is?" It's a much gentler and friendlier way to make a request. Another example might be at a restaurant. Instead of saying, "I want a table for two," you can say, "Would I be able to have a table for two, please?" Using would in these contexts can make a world of difference to the person you're speaking to. It shows that you're respectful and considerate. Would is also used in hypothetical situations, when we're discussing scenarios that are imagined or not real. For example, I would travel around the world if I won the lottery. In this case, winning the lottery is a hypothetical situation, and would is used to express the imagined action, traveling around the world. Remember, when using would for hypotheticals, the sentence usually has an if clause, indicating the condition for the would action to occur. Well, we've covered a lot today about the modal verb would. As we've seen, it's a very useful and versatile word in the English language. It can be used to add politeness to your requests and to discuss hypothetical situations. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to use would effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon enough, it'll become second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!